we are off on Artemis' final adventure for the season, Freyja Harbor to Anacortes. It's been an awesome 3 months. Really enjoyed it. It's really cool that we got to end it with some good friends on our boat. But now it's back to Anacortes, back to de-rigging, back to Arizona, back to the heat. But yeah, anyway, we are very, very fortunate and to be able to have done this for 3 months up here. So yeah, so we're anticipating a pretty flat trip back to Freyja Harbor, not a whole lot of wind. But that's pretty much what I said yesterday. So, and we had some really good sails in, so go figure, we'll find out. So cool, anyway, we will report back in a bit. Awesome. As we go in, the ferry is, actually as we go out, the ferry's coming in and another one's going out. It's a busy ferry morning, that's for sure.
And we are off from Freyja Harbor, heading over to Anacortes on our 3-hour tour. Yep, the final dash to Anacortes. Our farewell tour is coming closely to an end. Yep, got to see the sunrise, I think the first time this summer, just because I got up in time for it. But anyway, we've got our captain, our skipper too. We've got Mary Ann, and I must be Ginger. Anyway, because I sure as heck ain't Mrs. Thurston Howell III. Anyway, off we go. Awesome. Sometimes there's just not enough wind to sail, but if you've got a motor, this is really a beautiful day for a motor. Awesome. Our captain has been in touch with the ferries that we're going to be threading the needle on. Slide along with me as we go. Yeah. Got that one right there too. And we got these guys over here. Oh my, what a busy day at sea it is, Captain. Awesome.
Well, our trip over to Guaymas Channel was pretty unremarkable. No wind, nothing too exciting. We have taped it a couple times before, so I decided not to include video of it. But man, Guaymas Channel, ugh. Somehow we mistimed our arrival here by about an hour. And we've been fighting about, I don't know, 2.5 knot current the whole entire way. So anyhow, it's all good. Guaymas is being one up on us. We'll catch up on her next year. So we are about 2.5 miles from our destination and still an hour at this rate. So, but yeah, anyway.
That's okay, we can't get to our slip till 1 anyway.
It's all good. The weather's nice. Good company. Captain made us an amazing lunch. So yeah, life continues to be awesome.
It's open and ready.
Okay, I heard that, yeah. Okay, so here we are, about to round the corner into Campsite Marina for the last time for this trip. So it was a bit of a slog down our favorite Guaymas Channel, but we made it finally. So now begins the fun process of getting the boat ready to be dismantled, de-rigged, and put on the trailer. So bittersweet, it's been fun. Not to say that we're not looking forward to going home. So, but it was a great way to end it with our good friends, Scott and Andy, though. So yeah.
Awesome. And good morning from the deck of Artemis. You know, the captain, he's really good at the helm, but he's also good at swabbing the decks. As we're getting ready to prepare for our trip back to Arizona. We have taken down the head sail. He's kind of just given her a quick rinse off and stuff. No need to take the salt water home with us, but no need to get too carried away with getting her really clean, because she'll just get pretty dirty on the road. So she'll get a really thorough cleaning once she's back home in Arizona. But yeah, these are the not so fun days of adventures of Artemis, mainly because, you know, it's coming to an end, and we
Which is good and bad, right?
Which is good. It's bittersweet. You know, we've had a good time. I think we are ready to kind of head home and kind of see what's next. Anyway, awesome.
This video, hit subscribe and give us a big like down below. Thanks for watching.